I was out thrift store shopping and this coffee maker caught my eye. I'm in the Mercedes 240D. It's a Black & Decker Spacemaker. It has the time there, the tray there. I didn't realize it at the time, but the water holding tank didn't come with this at the thrift store. It got lost, I'm sure. Luckily, I was able to purchase one on eBay for a few dollars. The coffee grinds go up top. The coffee pot goes on the bottom. You flip the switch to on and then you wait. I really enjoy this coffee maker just because it's so simple of a design and really easy to use.